All right, good afternoon. Craig Kessler here with Advertising Solutions. Want to give you just a quick overview in terms of how simple the iZigg mobile media system is to use for a staffing company. We can set up different categories here for your staffing service. Disregard everything else I have in here. Real quick, if I want to add a new division, or I'm sorry, a new group, how simple this is. Let's say I want to add a group for nursing. I'm going to title it, click Save, and now nursing has been added to this group right here. In terms of setting up an initial message on your keyword, I'm going to select whichever one I want. I have a sample one for banquet already entered in for you to see. We'll be sending you job notices in the banquet area. Call us back to confirm your interest when you receive a job notice via text. Enter your office phone number there. With auto subscribe checked whenever someone would opt in from their cell phone, or with the web widget, which I'll show you here in a second, or if they're manually entered in, they'll be added to our database. I would click Save. It's already saved though. A couple different ways that people can opt in to your database. One of the easiest ways different staffing companies I'm working with so far are using is with this web widget. The system already creates it as we create our organization. Let me show you what it looks like. This can very easily be pasted, cut and pasted on your website, or sent as a link via email. If you already have an email list together for your staffers, send this out. They'll click on the link like I just did. They can enter their name, their cell phone number, and email again if you would like. They can check whichever job categories are of interest to them, and when they click subscribe, their cell phone number and name will be added to your database. And let me show you where that is so you can see. Okay, staffing service, here's our group that I have put together just for demonstration purposes. The numbers in parentheses after each keyword is the number of people who have subscribed to that group. Again, I don't have numbers for all these because I just have this together for illustration purposes. Okay. A second way, if you wanted to enter people to your database, is if you did it manually. If I go to subscribers, enter a cell phone number if you already have these on hand. Okay, enter their cell phone number, their name. You already put in the cell phone number. If you want to put their email address in as well, you can. I'm already in the system and have subscribed to a whole bunch of different texting channels. That's why there's so many listed there. But just you would just go up and select whichever group or groups you want to add people to. If I click banquet, click add. Okay, I'm already in that group. So if I wanted to do a different one, medical, click add. Bam, I've just been added to that group. Go back up and click update. And I've been added. So manually entering in your staffer cell phone numbers is not a time-consuming process. And once they're in there, obviously, again, it's very easy to access them. So in terms of sending a message, again, let me show you how quick and easy this is. In the message center, from staffing service, you would put your business name here. That's what would show up top first in your message. We have a banquet tonight at 7 p.m. First 20 to call, get the assignment. And then you again put your number in there. You have 160 characters for the length of your message. It gives you a little countdown. Sometimes it gets interesting trying to abbreviate and be concise with your wording. Two ways I can send this message. If I click send message right now, it'll automatically send it to everyone in whichever groups that I check. Again, I can send the same message to as many groups as I want, or obviously just the appropriate one for banquet. or I can schedule this message to be sent at a specific day and time if I don't want to automatically send it. Okay, again, that's how quick and easy it is to get people added to your database, and in terms of sending messages out, huge time and labor cost saver for a staffing service. Again, Craig Kessler, Advertising Solutions. Hope to talk to you soon.